I contacted Imad and his team from Alpha North about a week ago to set this up, and so that I can surprise my now fiance. And as it turned out, within a span of 24 hours or less than that actually, they have managed to put up this really, really beautiful setup.
We are right now at the Nagin Club, और यहाँ पे we have organized this event for a couple जो basically they are from outside Kashmir, basically from Bombay, and मैं basically करता रहूँगा पर मैं explain नहीं कर पाऊँगा exactly scene क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. तो we have this event company जहाँ पे हम लोग events organize करते हैं जो foreign clients होते हैं उनके लिए, and this is one of this kind. अब इवेंट की क्या ख़ास बात है कि जो क्लाइंट है हमारा, एक लड़का है, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड कश्मीर आई हुई है एंड शी इज़ डूइंग स्कीइंग हेयर. तो दिस इज़ द बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी. एंड जो लड़का है उसका बॉयफ्रेंड ही हैज़ कम फ्रॉम बॉम्बे टू सरप्राइज हिज गर्लफ्रेंड, और वो उसको आज यहाँ पे कश्मीर में लेक के किनारे प्रपोज करने वाला है फॉर मैरिज. एंड दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज मोमेंट फॉर दिस कपल. एंड ये सारा ज़िम्मा हमें दिया गया है कि ये सब कुछ यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने का. And right now we are doing that. We are just organizing this and we are looking forward for this surprise party, and I hope everything goes good. And Karif, me, Anis, and we have Altaf on the camera जो अभी सीख रहा है, एंड अभी उसी की तैयारी चल रही है, और आगे आके आपको दिखाएंगे पूरे व्लॉग में वो लोग कैसे आएंगे, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ सरप्राइज प्रपोजल. हमें खुद नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है, क्या रिएक्शन होने वाला है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस इट्स गोइंग टू बी कूल. हम भी वो रिएक्शन देखेंगे जब लड़का उसको इस वेन्यू पे लेके आएगा जो अभी पूरा तैयार नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन पूरा तैयार होके इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी रोमांटिक एंड वेरी सरप्राइजिंग फॉर द गर्ल, एंड उनके लिए भी एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त मोमेंट्स है.
We had only 4 hours to set up everything, and trust me guys, only 4 hours. और ये कश्मीर में पहला वीकेंड था जब लॉकडाउन लगा था कोविड की वजह से, एंड इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू ऑर्गेनाइज एवरीथिंग. लेकिन सबसे मुश्किल बात थी गुब्बारे फुलाना, जिन्होंने हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा वक्त खाया. बट लकीली वी ट्राई टू डू व्हाट बेस्ट वी कैन डू, और हमने सब कुछ ऑन टाइम ऑर्गेनाइज किया.
So here, this is the final look of the set, जहाँ पे the couple will sit and the boy is gonna propose her, and that is the food corner here. Come Altaf. And this is something we have put on some snacks over here, and we have this beautiful lake on the backdrop, and this is looking really beautiful. We have kept it simple and subtle. Mohammed Shafi? अच्छा मैं तो ऐसे गसून आपको रखे इस नेरो हुई. So this is how it is looking at the moment, and when we'll have this sunset, it's gonna look more beautiful on the backdrop, because अभी जो sun है ना, it's exactly on the back side of the set. Come here Altaf. तुलता है कुछ फोटो. So Karif is busy with taking the pictures, and we'll share those pictures with you soon on our page, जो Alpha North का page है. And this is how it is going to look. Yeah, Karfa. Karif, my dear friend, is today first time I'm seeing him, focused on his work, and inshallah.
Going to be fiancé had literally no clue what is going on. She was really surprised to be at this part of the lake because it's totally different, the backside of Nagin. And they were going towards the Shikara ride. And from here now onwards, it's going to be really interesting. And you can just see her reaction. It's priceless.
Are you moving, no?
Don't let me surprise you one bit.
Look at that red thingy on the right. This guy looks like Manan.
Yeah. All his friends look alike, don't worry. Could never imagined it better.
No.
They didn't know that.
He knew I was gonna go for the Taj thing anyway. Which kept it all a surprise. Even I'm surprised.
When did you all find out?
You know,
Right now.
likes to be dressed for surprises. She likes known surprises.
Used to be the one who's breathless, but I'm actually enjoying this a lot more than I should.
चल तो फिर पीछे होकर आराम से बैठ जाओ.
Before that, I have some activities planned for us.
No.
Yeah.
You carrying the dress?
Yeah, just in case. Okay. So, you have to go there
Yeah.
and you have to figure it out. That's all I'm allowed to tell you.
कहाँ जाएगा?
ये देख, ये तो मिल गया मुझे. ये रहा. जाएगा. ये भी. Kumar Rathod.
You wanna stand and do it?
Kumar Rathod, will you marry me and take care of me and my tantrums for the rest of my life? Seriously? That's surprised.
This is my surprise. Damn pretty.
Say it louder.
This is damn pretty.
And I will cross for you the ocean. We have no reasons to deny. We must be closer, closer, closer. We'll be waiting all my life. And I will cross for you the ocean. Closer, closer.
Tara, right to this entire setup. I don't think I've seen anything prettier. I don't think any of us have seen anything this pretty. It's exactly what we had always imagined. I happened to tell him that this is the sort of spot and setup we would like to get married in. So thank you for recreating something so pretty. So yeah.
What about our acting, when
You're acting?
how you felt when
Yeah.
the surprise of
Oh yeah, yeah. I was actually gonna ask him because when we entered and you were like, yeah, iska extra charge वगैरह नहीं है, and I'm like, okay, maybe it's still not what I'm thinking. Later, I figured, but yeah.
For any sort of surprise.
But I was so
yeah.
comfortable to be around, and I'm a super conscious person when there's any lens around me, so it means a lot.
Yeah. So thank you for the team, and anybody and everybody who's on their page, make sure to go acquire their services because it's top notch. Anything better than anything you'll ever find ever.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
being a part of such a big day. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
We'll be waiting all my life. And I will cross for you the